Okay, guys, today we're going to be talking about the triangle inequality theorem. So what we really want to know is if I give you three lengths, can you determine whether those three lengths do or do not form a triangle? Not any three lengths can actually make a triangle. So the triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. So first we need to remember what the word sum means. So sum just means when you add them. So if I add two of the sides together, it needs to be larger or greater than the remaining side. The best way to test it is to add the two shortest sides together. Okay, so let's have a look at a few examples. Alrighty, so the first one says, tell whether or not the following sides could form a triangle. So we have 12 centimeters, 13 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. So we take the two smallest ones together and we add them up, 12 plus 13, and it needs to be greater than 20. So 12 plus 13 is 25, which is in fact greater than 20. So yes, these three would form a triangle. 25 is greater than 20. These three lengths would form a triangle. Now, please keep in mind, you can only determine it if all three sides are in the same measure. So like these were all measured in centimeters. If they weren't all centimeters, then we can't tell unless we convert so that they are all in the same unit of measurement. Okay, let's look at example 2. So in example 2, we have 3 inches, 5 inches, and 10 inches. So we go with the two smallest, 3 plus 5, and the question is it greater than 10? So 3 plus 5 is 8, and I know that 8 is not greater than 10, so no, these would not form a triangle. There is no way that if we had three lengths of 3 inches, 5 inches, and 10 inches that they would be able to form a triangle. Let's look at another one, number 3. So we have 16 inches, 10 inches, and 6 inches. So once again, I'm grabbing the two that are the smallest. 10 plus 6. Is it greater than the third side, which is 16? 10 plus 6 is 16. Is 16 greater than 16? No. 16 is equal to 16, but it can't be greater than itself. So therefore, this would not make a triangle either. It would be very close, but the number needs to be greater than the third side. And in this case, the sum of 10 and 16 is not greater than 16. Last one. Once again, grab the two smallest sides. This one's an isosceles triangle because two of the sides are equal. So 7 plus 10, is it greater than the third side, which is also 10? 7 plus 10 is 17, which is greater than 10. So yes, this would form a triangle. So to reiterate, the sum of the two shortest sides must be greater than the longest side or the third side of that triangle. If not, they do not form a triangle. They cannot be equal, like in example 3 here, okay? 16 was not greater than 16, so it wasn't a triangle. So keep that in mind as you're working through your review for the test. Have a great day, guys.